Alrighty. This is very important, this particular lecture we're about to go to. You really need to pay close attention. You saw how big the IPv6 address looked like, all right? But there's a way we can shorten it, and this is what we're going to do, okay? Now, there's something called the leading zero rule. All the zeros are in red. I hope you can see them. They're there in red. Anything that's in front, right, a leading zero, you can take out of an address. So in this particular address up here, you see you have the 00AB, 0016, 0ABC, and then 00F. Well, if you take out all the leading zeros, 2001, blah, blah, AB, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then take out the 0, ABC, and then all these 3 zeros and F. And that will be a valid address because you guaranteed you will be asked to identify an invalid or valid address. So leading zeros, no problem. Cool, we take them out. But what happens when you have a whole bunch of consecutive zeros when within the network ID, within the interface ID, you don't want to say 2001 00000016. You don't want to say all that, right? So you want to shorten that. Now, the rule here is called the double colons. You can only have one set of double colons. So let's take a look at the wrong answer. That's why it says invalid because of double colon. So I took out all the zeros, put a colon here. 16, took out all the zeros, put a colon, ABCF. It's invalid. It's no good. Why? Because the protocol won't know where to put the zeros. It will see 2 double colons and say, I don't know. So it gets lost. You can't do that. Invalid. What you can do is decide, okay, we'll make it short, but I got to decide on which set of double colons and at least put 1 0. So it knows what to do. Okay, this is 1 0 here. These are all zeros, and this must be all zeros also. So then that will be a valid address. I guarantee it, all right, that for identifying a valid or invalid address, you'll be looking at this particular scenario right here. Also, how high does a hex table go? Exactly, to F, right? Anything past that, it's not a hex number. So G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yeah, they're not part of the hex table. All right, it's from 0 to F. That's it. Anything else within that would be invalid. So these are the things that will probably be multiple choice questions that you're going to see out there. And you're going to look at the address and they'll be easy to pick out. Start from left to right and you'll look, oh, double colons, no good. Oh, G, forget about that one. That's no good. You may be asked to pick out the valid address. You may be asked to pick out the invalid address or how to shorten an address. So these are things that you need to be aware of. You have the leading zero rule and you have the double colon rule. All right. And here you see the examples. So this is very important that you remember. You see how serious I am. I don't think I'm even yelling. All right. It's very important that you know this because I can guarantee it almost 100% that you're going to see certain questions that deal with this. Okay. So be looking for that. Enough said. All right. Let's continue on. I'll see you in the next.